Where are we, Jolly?
We are on the small ride at Magic Kingdom.
Exactly.
Small. Welcome to the happiest place I've ever sat.
Oh, it's already getting beautiful in here. Oh, flowers, huh? Oh, wow.
Those children look so
honestly. Oh.
on the moon, yeah.
Yes. Oh, I don't know. I think I did. I know. There's so much stuff in it.
So cool.
Wow, y'all.
Nice and peaceful.
Yep. The second. Definitely. Really? This room is so big though. You can just tell that it's not as loud and hear how massive this room is. Wow. Oh, I like the hippo. Oh yeah.
It's like a African savannah.
Oh yeah.
I like the African.
Is this the final room? No?
I think so.
Are you positive? Wow. This ride is long. Oh yeah. Stuff on all sides. It's crazy how much there is in here. Ooh, I like this a lot.
Oh, this is nice.
No, it's not. This was like a 30-minute wait, and this is totally worth it. This is a slow, peaceful, what, 10-15 minute ride? This is amazing. So much effort and decoration into it, too. Go check out our Navi River Journey ride video also, y'all, and tell us which one you like more. I mean, obviously this one is longer, but I don't know. They're both decorated greatly with lots of effort. I love them both, y'all. I liked all the special lights in the Navi River Journey ride, but I like all the special decorations in this one. It really makes it. Why did it move so fast then? Isn't this like a 15-minute ride then? I know. I got to.
Maybe this is.
Huh?
Also, say which one is your favorite.
Yeah. Kind of like what we saw in the beginning with all the fun lights and everything.
It's better lit too.
Definitely, yeah. Looks like it's time to go, I guess. This is a long ride. I like this area. And over here is nice. Oh, I think so. Little windmill.
Standing ovation at Jerry. This is hard to get off.
I think it's wrapping up. I hear the closing instructions playing. There's still a last room here though. But once we're able to get through, we can
Goodbye
see.
and all the languages on there.
Please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop at the dock.
So it does look like there's a lot of parts, so that's the only reason they're able to get the line moving at all. This is a good 15-minute long ride. This is Evergo's watching. Yeah.
Please remain
I
seated
know.
until the boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. Por favor, permanezca
If
sentado.
you ever end up going to Magic Kingdom, you'll definitely recommend this ride. I think you're right, Joey.
Please remain seated until the boat comes
Yeah,
to a
it's
complete stop.
goodbye in all the different languages.
Paul Peterson is goodbye in German. I know.
Sentado hasta que el bote se detenga en México y se retire de desembarco.
No, goodbye in German.
Please remain seated until the boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you.
Aloha, that's goodbye in Hawaiian. We all know that.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah, basically, this is back into the starting room, y'all. So we made it through the ride. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, y'all.